Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. Yeah, today we are glassing in some holes. There is a full episode on how to do fiberglass work in the cold, so I'm not gonna go through that today. But while that is getting up to temperature, we are gonna... Where is it? Yeah. We're gonna take the freshwater inlet away so we can switch out the thruhull. That is the only thruhull in the boat and it hasn't been replaced. We are gonna do that this year before we launch the boat. So let's get inside. And yeah, while I'm doing this, I'm checking the water, let's call it the heat exchanger. So that's not clogged, and it's not. So let's put that back. So now it's time to go outside again. Okay, so there it is. Now it's time to cut some fiberglass pieces and prepare for glassing. So now it's gel coated. It's just to protect the polyester from the UV light. I'm not gonna spend any time making it flat and nice and so on, since we are gonna repaint the whole boat. So we are gonna have to do all of that anyway. Yeah, it's time to mount the new thruhull. So first we need to grind up the hole a little bit. Then it's just to remove the nut, put it in the hole and hope that it stays until we can get inside and put the nut back on. So let's go inside, put this on. So now it's just to apply linen and some paste, and I have showed you that a bunch of time before, so we're gonna skip that today. Yeah, so now it's just to put it on. I have screwed these pieces together back home because it's a lot easier when you have a vise and so on. So now I only have one connection to mess with in the bolt. So let's put it on.